They came from some of the poorest neighborhoods in Buenos Aires to the city center to protest and demand better conditions for those living in the city slums.
Familias que están infectadas con el virus.
We have families that are infected who can't clean themselves because there is no water. They have to go and pick it up. And we can't cook in the soup kitchens because there is no water. But we are getting organised to see how we can make it work.
This week, a community leader of the so-called Villa 31 slum in Buenos Aires died of COVID-19. Ramona Medina had been denouncing the lack of water in her neighborhood.
It has been 8 days without water. They are asking us to wash our hands, but how? The city government says we have water, and I ask them if they've ever been here.
Authorities say there are over 1,000 cases in 3 of the city's biggest slums.
Argentina was one of the first countries in the region to impose a complete lockdown, and this has prevented the spread of the disease nationwide. But in the last few days, there's been a surge of cases in some of the poorest neighborhoods in the city of Buenos Aires because of lack of sanitation and overcrowding.
In recent years, the city of Buenos Aires has been working to improve living conditions in the 31 slum, a glaring symbol of inequality in Argentina's capital. Some buildings have been refurbished and the streets have been paved, but it has not been enough to stop COVID-19. And residents fear the virus will spread. They say much more needs to be done.
We want equipped spaces or hotels to isolate people who have had close contact with confirmed cases and can't isolate in their own homes. We ask for 24-hour mobile units for the transfer of neighbours who need emergency care.
The city's government says it is addressing their concerns. Over a week ago, it authorized some businesses to restart economic activity, although reserves the right to reimpose a complete quarantine if necessary.
We
proposed the national government open up some activities, but not public transport, over a week ago, and we will evaluate the impact of that once we get the sanitary data.
To date, more than 10 people have lost their life to COVID-19 in the slums of Buenos Aires. People here want more to be done to prevent further loss of life. Teresa, Al Jazeera, Buenos Aires.